Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Today we'll be picking one card for your message from your person. So this will be the card, and one card from this fortune cookie. So this will be the fortune cookie for you all today, Taurus. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description so you can contact her. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 8 of fire, 6 of fire, and chariot. So Taurus, today you are feeling totally inspired, positive, feeling really good, feeling really happy for the way things are going. And today you are aware of your strengths and weakness, same way you are aware of the people around you, maybe the good things and bad things about them. And you are someone really helping, a caring person. So you are helping the people in your life, people who are with you, maybe your friends, family, and it may be even this person you love. So you are a very kind and compassionate person. And Taurus, you are feeling really inspired, cheerful about the way things are going in your life today. And circumstances are gaining momentum, maybe in this relationship. You feel really drawn to this person. There is a great attraction between you both, and you both are having that curiosity about each other. You love to spend time with each other. You are spending a lot of time together, and you feel really confident and happy for the way things are going. You feel really happy in this relationship, inspired to be with this person in this connection, and you are seeing good things, maybe feeling really good when you are with this person. A lot of changes are happening. This relationship is changing you emotionally and spiritually. You feel truly happy. You have that balance of mind. You have that sense of satisfaction, contentment, and things are shaping up very quickly. Things are changing very quickly in this relationship. And you feel that you can handle any situation because you love this person and you have a good understanding with this person. And come what may, you have that determination and cheerfulness, inspiration to face any circumstance. And you are feeling really happy, and you feel really fearless and confident when being with this person you love. So for your relationship, we have one more card. We will see what it is. It's Tower. So there are a lot of changes happening in this relationship. in this love, just like I said. It may be something like a surprise happening today. Maybe this person may have some surprise plans for you. But it is something good. With this card, I do not see something bad for you, Taurus. It is a happy surprise, some kind of changes. It may be a change of residence, change of city for both of you. So this person is planning something to surprise you. It is a positive change happening today that is giving you more clarity, more understanding. Maybe for some of you, you may feel a little sad because of these changes, but you need to understand that these changes are something good, and these changes are something happening to give you a positive transformation in your life today, Taurus. So for your career, we have one card. We will see what is the card. It's Fortune's Wheel. So circumstances are going in a beautiful way. Maybe just when you are thinking about certain projects or certain financial deals you need to make, you may see lucky coincidences, lucky breaks in your career. Something may take you towards the right choice, right decision, or the right path, and maybe you would have risked certain things for your work, something to make things better in your work, and those risks are really paying off. Things are falling into place because you took that first step, you took that risky decision today, and you feel that your destiny is unfolding in a magical and a beautiful way, Taurus. Things are simply falling into place. Maybe right now you may feel that certain changes are quite worrying or stressful, but the end result is something really good, something amazing coming your way today, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. So for your message, we will see what it is. It all comes down to timing. Such a beautiful message. So destiny is playing its part, maybe in your relationship. Maybe this person also feels the hand of destiny working in your love situation today. And for your fortune cookie, we will see what it is. Burnout. Your hard work will see results, but your health needs to be maintained. So check in with your doctor, dentist, and health professional and try to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So that is the lucky inspiration for yourself. So you need to take care of yourself, Taurus. You need time for yourself. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Taurus. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.